But what do you do when there's a problem? You solve it. This house is pending. Buyers and sellers, let's go. Get a dumpster, get a dumpster, get a dumpster. Guys, you gotta get a dumpster, get a dumpster. They got one. I was able to help this investor from the beginning of purchasing the property to then splitting a lot off on the right-hand side, flipping the current property, and maximizing profit on one single house that most people would have just sold the house and not even thought about the lot. All right, we came in this property when it was halfway done. Here's a good example of what a property looks like when it's finished. You got great space, you got open floor plan, it flows, it really works well. We kept a lot of the character, as you can see there. Instead of overhauling the fireplace, look at what you got, clean it up, keep it simple, keep it moving. If you remember, these floors were a complete mess, complete disaster. They did a gloss finish. It looks really, really good. These floors are so nice, you could almost ice skate on them. You can see here that they added the new gray shaker cabinets, which are really, really nice. A beautiful slab of granite here, right, with a 3-inch backsplash in the back. But we've got a gas stove, a 4-burner stove with a hood above, lazy Susan there up on the top, a lazy Susan there down below. So we added a stainless fridge. This is what you do when you finish a flip correctly. There's nothing to the naked eye that needs to be finished. They had to utilize this space to the best of their ability. So they installed a small vanity here. They used the more modernized tile that people are using nowadays. Nice gray grout lines going throughout. You have the king of the castle, the toilet, and behind you over there, you've got almost like a built-in linen closet. Great example of taking a bathroom down to the studs and converting it into something that's modern and really aesthetically looks really good for a buyer to come in here and want to live in this property. All right, so we're in the dungeon, we're in the back cave. This is where the magic happens, but more importantly, this is where your deal can fall apart or your deal can stay together. So we've got gas, hot water, we've got oil, heat. This makes for a very clean transaction and a very happy inspector and a very happy buyer. They finished the kitchen, they did the floors, they're rocking and rolling. This house is pending. I really enjoyed this one because we've all started from somewhere. This gentleman started from never doing this before, and now he's gonna have 2 flip properties right away. Got it on the market, it went pending within a week, so it's a win for all.